showing you the installation video for rider backrest for a touring seat for the Super Meteor 650. This is the assembly you will receive in your courier package. Two plates, one will be the right side and the other will be the left side, a bracket and the cushion that's attached. We're showing you the assembly on a stock seat, and there's a lot of other things here which we haven't removed, but we will explain it to you how it needs to be installed on a touring seat, and hopefully that should work. So this is the left side assembly. You take this side plate as is. Do not change anything here. You would have received the bolt that we've sent along with 3 washers, and there is a spacer here. So make sure you use it as it has been sent to you. You will remove this bolt that's on your bike and attach the bolt that we've sent. This goes from the inside. This plate goes from the inside. The other point it attaches to is the shocker bolt. This stays the stock, the shocker bolt. This is the stock bolt that is already on your bike. So this hole, this bolt goes into this hole from the inside. Once you've attached the left and the right side plates, you attach the bracket onto the side plates. And just make sure that you don't over torque anything here, especially these bolts here. These bolts are not to be over torqued, and thread lock not to be applied on these bolts, so that you can remove them easily. Other than that, you can apply thread lock on all the bolts. Now, talking about the adjustability options, there are few angle adjustment options and height adjustment options that this product has. One is the height can be adjusted here. You can attach the side plate to the bracket as per the slots, the lower setting and the higher setting. The other one is the angle adjustability that is there on the side plates. So the bolt can be installed as per the angle that you prefer of the backrest. The other one is there is a height adjustability for the cushion, which we will show you in a minute. The bolts here can be adjusted. The plate can go up and down in order to increase or decrease the height of the cushion. Again, please make sure you apply thread lock liquid on the permanent bolts. Leave them undisturbed for some time so that they don't come off, and you should be good to go with your rider backrest for a touring seat. Thank you.